Hot sauces are fantastic condiments to have on standby to add to fried eggs or grilled meats. They're also a great addition to mayonnaise, and I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise from scratch and serve it with some gorgeous poached prawns. So for your mayonnaise, ideally you want your eggs to be at room temperature. You don't want them to be too cold because it'll affect the way the mayonnaise is emulsified. So I'm going to be using 2 egg yolks straight into a bowl. Don't waste these egg whites, they freeze really well and you can use them in biscuits or even a little pavlova. Second one. Then we need to add some acid to this. So I'm adding a splash of white wine vinegar and we start the emulsification process. So really whisk that to dissolve all of that mustard into the eggs. And then it's time to add the oil. Now, my best advice to you is to vigorously whisk and add small drops of the oil. You don't want to be adding too much at the beginning because it won't thicken up. Our aim is to get this lovely and thick. So little by little, I'm going to add the oil. Now, I want my mayonnaise to be neutral in flavour, so I'm not going to add any extra virgin olive oil. I'm using simple, low-scented oils like grapeseed oil. Vegetable oil is really great too. So keep whisking, and as soon as it starts to get quite thick, you can start adding a little more oil, so in a slow and steady stream. And that is a basic mayonnaise. Look how thick and lush it is. So good, so much better than the store-bought mayonnaises. Now is the fun part, adding different flavours. So I'm going to add my fermented hot sauce. This is made with Australian chilies and it's actually been fermented for 3 days. It's not just about the heat, you've also got those big bold flavours. There's complexity there because it has been fermented. So I always like to start with a few drops and a pinch of salt, and we'll mix that through, have a little taste, and then we can add some more. So a little taste. Absolutely delicious. In actual fact, I think I'm going to add a little more because I really want to taste those bold flavours from it. Another little swirl through. And this is fantastic as a gorgeous sauce for a prawn dish just like this. We'll add that to a little bowl on the side. You can dip your prawns in. Also great to add a little cheek of lemon to finish off the dish. There you go. Hot sauce, fantastic on eggs, but also great to really jazz up a basic mayonnaise.